Alright guys, so I keep seeing all these thumbnails. I haven't watched any of the videos, but I keep seeing all these thumbnails of all these car YouTubers like scaring their girlfriends in their cars. And I was like, alright, hold up. I've got a GoPro and I've got a girlfriend. So I figured, why don't we give it a shot? Today, we're gonna hop into my 100 horsepower Honda Civic EK Hatchback. And we're gonna see if I can scare my girlfriend.
Are you thinking?
No.
Okay.
Like there are no thoughts. There's no brain activity right now.
Okay.
Remember, I'm driving a Honda Civic. It doesn't take brain energy.
That's why you like Hondas.
Oh, burn! Well, I'm gonna scare you for that.
I think that this whole video I'm gonna be laughing at.
Whoa!
Okay.
Yeah, this is scary, huh? Yo, check this out.
Okay.
Anything?
Don't do it like that. That's gonna like make us sick.
All right, okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna pull up to this light. It's red. We're gonna wait till it turns green, and right when it turns green, I'm gonna accelerate at a normal and responsible pace.
Okay. Or are you though?
Yeah.
And then floor it. This is fine. This is how you should be driving.
Yeah, but you know what the scary part was? That you were so scared that you were anticipating that I was gonna floor it.
Yeah.
So I just technically scared you.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, it was like one of those jump scares from a movie where like you're expecting something but it doesn't happen, and then just like all of a sudden it's super scary. Wah! I still wish I had some coffee.
Okay, that's why we're gonna go Starbucks.
This timer's on. I got 10 seconds. Just keep pointing at me, I'll do it perfectly.
The glasses make it 10 times funnier.
It's like, dude, I'm about to do crime, but if you take these off, I can't see. Alright, hold on. I gotta take off this ski mask before someone calls the police.
Oh, I thought you were gonna order it with it on.
No, dude, I'm not trying to get arrested or get people to call police to get me arrested.
That would scare me.
Is my hair looking scary today?
No, it's just a little roostery.
Oh! Oh! Were you scared?
Yeah.
You want me to tell you a scary story?
Yeah. Can we just...
Oh, no, hold on. I have a solution. It was Friday the 21st. There was a man who went in. His name was Dave. Dave went into Starbucks to get a coffee. When he went into Starbucks, he saw something that he couldn't believe. He said, "Did you just put soy milk in my oat milk latte?" And the barista said, "Why, yes, I did." He said, "Well, that's funny because I asked for oat milk." She said, "That's funny, Dave, because when you were in the drive-thru, I could have sworn you said soy milk." And you know what he said to the barista? He said to the barista, "You're fired!" And you know what the barista said? She said, "You know what? Fine. I hated this job anyway. The only good thing about working at Starbucks is the tuition reimbursement, and that's it." And then she drove out of there in her Honda Civic. She moved to California. She became a full-time YouTuber. You know what her name is now? Jenna Marbles. Act scared. Act scared. No, just like... Meanwhile, the guy behind the wheel was Boosted John the whole time.
I kind of wish I was scaring you. I think you would be pretty scared.
Dude, I can tell you one thing's for sure. If we were driving down Willow Road and you grabbed the wheel and yanked it to the right as hard as you could, I would be scared.
I think you'd be scared with a lot of things I would do.
Like what?
Hit a pothole.
Oh my god, dude. You know what the scariest feeling is when, and I've only had this happen to me like once in recent memory, because like you never drive my cars because they're all manual, but you can drive this one. You drove us home the other day, and like the scariest feeling is like when I see a pothole like 50 feet in front of us and I know it's there, and I'm like, damn it, she's gonna hit it. And I don't say anything because I don't want to be a side seat driver. I'm just like, you're gonna see it. I know you're gonna see it. You're gonna move out of the way. You're gonna do the right thing. And you hit the pothole.
I wish you would have said something.
You know what happens? You know what happens when you hit the pothole, Kearney? Dave from Starbucks gets soy milk in his oat milk latte.
And he's probably allergic to soy, so it's
He probably is. All right, hold on. I've got another scary story for you. You ready?
Yeah.
You're a Subaru WRX STI owner, okay?
Yeah.
Damn, I need a vape to tell this one. And you just got your car tuned. You got a downpipe, you got intake. You're a big boy. World Rally Blue. You got Borla exhaust or something. You're a loud boy. You're rolling around. You're. You know what I'm saying? You see a Honda Civic on the highway. Looks pretty unmodified, you know. It doesn't look too crazy. And you're like, oh, dude, I got this chump. So you line up next to him. You slow down to a 50 roll. You downshift. You're in like third gear. You start your 3 honks, right? You hit honk number 1. Beep. Cool. He looks over at you. You hit honk number 2. Beep. He gives you that look. You're about to hit honk number 3, and you look over at his car, and you notice GoPros are strapped to it. And that's the scariest story I've ever heard in my whole life. All right, I bet this Honda Civic can whip this. Let's see. What do you think? Do you think you can do it?
Yeah. It's bendable.
Should I try? Should I try?
No.
Should I try and see what happens?
No.
Oh, I'm gonna do it.
Hi there, welcome to Starbucks. What can we start for you?
Did that scare you? That scared you?
Yes, it did.
Listen, I've tried almost everything to scare you to this point. You've barely cracked. You've been scared a couple of times. When the GoPro fell off the windshield, that was a big one. The Starbucks story didn't seem to do it.
No, it didn't, because I was very confused.
So that means there's only one thing left to try. And that's running a red light.
That was good. That was a good one. Wow, that was creative. That was good.
I thought of that, like, as I was about to stop. Like, as I said it, I thought of that one. I was thinking so hard to try to think of what I was going to do for that one.
That was good.
Did I get you?
Yeah, you did.
So would you say that I scared you in my 100 horsepower Honda Civic?
Yeah, you did. Nice job.
There's going to be a sound effect when we touch knuckles right now. It's going to be like, ding! There's going to be like a check mark on the screen.
I want to do this again, but in your scary car.
The EG?
Yeah.
When it's done?
Yeah.
Dude, that would be so easy.
Like, that would be really fun.
Yeah. Alright guys, so the moral of the story is, you don't need to be a YouTuber with a 700 horsepower car, 1,000 horsepower car to be able to scare someone, to have a good time, to enjoy the vehicle that you're driving. Today, as you saw, we had an absolute blast making this video. I'm speaking for myself right now, but I feel like you had fun too.
Yeah.
And this is all, like, we just turned on the camera, I grabbed a couple of things from my room and had a great time. And like, this car is literally a stock D16 Honda Civic EK Hatch, like poopy Uncle Joe car. Like, dude, you don't need horsepower to have fun, guys. All you need is the right person in your passenger seat. So guys, that's it for this video. I'm Boosted John. I'm giving away an entire year of YouTube revenue in October of 2020. So if you guys would like to have a chance to win an entire year of YouTube revenue, all you have to do to have a chance is be subscribed. So please click that subscribe button. Also, if you like this video, if you found it creative, if you found it entertaining, if you found it funny, if you learned anything new, please click that thumbs up. It really helps me in the suggested of YouTube. My videos get recommended, and then, people click them, and then people subscribe. And I want to hit 100K this year. Also, let me know in the comments what you thought the funniest scare in this video was. I'm curious. This is all improv. I literally just made this stuff up as I went, like, the whole time. I think they're probably gonna say you're roast at the beginning. And lastly, a short PSA out to all you guys. Remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Bye. It's not gonna be dark. Now it is.